What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we are going to be talking about penny stocks that could potentially have a significant move to the upside. So I'm going to go over in detail the price prediction, what is the ideal price when you get involved in this company, and what is the potential for the future for these companies. I'm also going to go over a quick stock market recap and some important economic reports we need to watch for tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. Now, before we get into the video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure to drop in the comment section below. And shout out to all the people that turn on notification and that subscribe to the channel. So on the past, we talked about the top 3 February penny stocks. One of them was going to be INFI. So we have the FDA data that came out today, and it was positive news, and the stock went up, 13.16 to the upside. It was it edged $6, and this is one of the catalyst that we're expecting. You never know. Sometimes when you get involved in these companies, anticipating a press release that they're going to be talking about if they have more a positive result or negative result, either an FDA approval or maybe an extension of the approval, the stock can definitely react. In this case, the data was positive and the stock went up to the upside, but it's really risky to hold through this announcements because it's always 50-50. You never know. Then one day they might say it's negative and the stock might go up to the upside. They might say it's a positive data, they accepted it, and the stock might go down to the downside. So you never know what's going to happen, if it's positive news or negative news, or if this stock can potentially just do nothing at the same time too. They might say it's super awesome job and the stock might not do anything. So you never know what's going to happen. But of course, I highly recommend people to anticipate a rally to happen, anticipatory rally. And if you can get 10, 20% or even 50% rally anticipation of their FDA related news, the stock can definitely provide a solid, trading opportunity for short term. So that's why we're expecting for these companies. We had also other companies that we talked about, the other ones being ABEO also been going up to the upside. And we also have PLX, which has also been significantly going to the upside. So, one of the important things that we want to talk about, of course, once these companies also go up to the upside, they can potentially be doing offerings. So INFI has also just announced that they're going to be doing an offering to raise money for the company. So that is also one of the important things we need to be watching out for when the stock price goes up significantly to the upside. For this company, it really did not go up that much, but they're still going to be doing an offering. So that's really quite interesting. So now let's talk about, the other company that we're going to be talking about. It's going to be ticker symbol Sndl. So this is a penny stock and it's been getting a lot of attention, and a lot of people are optimistic about the future of MJ stocks. And these sector stocks has been going up to the upside significantly. But today, as you can see, it's down 19%. So I know a lot of people, got caught right around over here at $3 because I've been hearing a lot of people asking a lot of questions. What do you think about Sndl? It's been getting a lot of popularity. Unfortunately, today it hit all the way at $3 to $4, and it dropped all the way down to at one point to $1. So that is a significant price action that we're looking at right now. But however, if you see a great potential, if you see huge growth in the MJ sector in the US, once they legalize in the federal level, these companies can also benefit a lot. So we're going to go over exactly what is the ideal price when you get involved in this company, what is the potential of this company, and what to expect, moving forward for this company. So we're going to do a forecast of this specific company. First, let's talk about exactly, how many shares available in this company, if there's any big short seller positions, and how many shares institutions own, and etc. So as you can see, we have, the shares outstanding for this company is a lot, and it's more than 1 billion. The share of the float is 435 million shares. There's not a lot of, short sellers. It's relatively, normal to have 16%, 15% area as relatively normal. It's usually gets serious when it goes above, 20%. It's getting closer to 20%. So you never know, that might actually attract a lot of short sellers because the stock has been going up to the upside. It's been having a significant rally to the upside, but it's dipping to the downside. So, and the other important thing is also we're going to be looking at institution ownership is not a lot. So we only have 1.9% of this company is held by institutions. So that is not a lot. Insider ownership is only sitting at 1.63% also. So That is not a lot too. So this is really an important parameters to be watching out for if you're somebody that wants to get involved in this specific company. So when you're also looking at exactly, what they do, if you want to visit, go check out their website. They have a no filter, no additive, no artificial flavoring. So this is exactly, some of the products that they have. Choose your own experience, calm, ease, flow, lift, spark, and these are the featured products that they have. And you can also, order from their online. You can read more detailed articles about them. So this is one of the products that they have also. So it's been popular, I think, within the past few years, especially in Canada, since it's been legalized. So when you look at the short-term price target for this company, the stock been dipped down significantly. The upside, it's down to $2.38. So we might potentially see this stock to go to the downside a little bit, may have a continuation to the downside. If it can come back all the way to $1.33, that could be an ideal price point and get involved in it. But if you want somebody that wants to invest in these companies, if you see huge growth and expansion in these companies, it's a great opportunity to get involved in it right now. So if you don't want to wait, even if you got caught up buying it at $4, you can hold it, but it's still, of course, this can be super risky. You never know what might happen in the near future. But if you're somebody that wants to be committed to this company for a long term, you can definitely average it down. Also, if the stock continues to drop, let's say to $1, or even go all the way down to 78 cents or 80 cents, so that is one of the important things you'll be looking for. But if you got involved in it for a short-term trade, you got caught up around, buying it at the top or $4 or $3.50, you can wait, you can become a bag holder, but you can cut your losses at the same time too and re-enter your position if it drops all the way to $1 at this point in time. So that is one of the things you want to be looking for. So there's a short-term price target. As I mentioned, it can potentially be going, below to $2 or below that. That's going to be a great ideal price when you get involved in it. But in the long term, if everything seems to go smooth, it can potentially be going and trending to the upside and making new 52-week highs. There's been a lot of momentum. There's a lot of people that got involved in it. And we might see even more people get involved in it once this specific drop, once this rally basically consolidates over here, because it's been extended to the upside. Other companies like Tilray was also going up significantly. Yesterday it went all the way to $67 and it's been breaking out of the upside. Now it dropped, within 1 day, 49%, so of course, if you're somebody that got caught up, unfortunately, it's pretty huge drop to the downside. 1 day to lose 49%, and it looks like it's been just gradually grinding to the upside. That is one of the bad sides when you look at when the stock drops. It drops like within 1 day, significant amount, but it takes a longer time to go to the upside. So that is one of the dangers of these kind of price actions to expect, especially when they get overextended in a short period of time. So be on the lookout for this specific sector, MJ sector. But now let's talk about exactly, what happened to this stock market today. As you can see right here, we had a relatively flat day today. The stock market is not doing that much, but we have some sectors that did very well today, with the semiconductor sector doing pretty good, and some financial stocks that have been popping up to the upside. We had some initial jobless claims numbers that came out. So also we have for tomorrow, for Friday, February 12th, we have at 10 a.m. we have consumer sentiment index. It's going to be for the period of February. The previous was 79 and the median forecast is 80. And we also have at 10 a.m. we have the New York Fed President John Williams is going to be speaking. So be on the lookout for that. But if you have any questions, any comments, make sure to drop in the comment section below, and check out all the links in the description box below if you want to get free stocks. Join the Discord. Links available. Make sure you manage your risk. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.